Assalamu alaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video we are going to learn how to extract any university area in QGIS. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the QGIS and open new project, and then you have to upload the OpenStreetMap. For that I will go to Open Data Source Manager, click on it and double click on OpenStreetMap. You see that OpenStreetMap uploaded. Now you have to go to university area you want to extract. For that I will go to Dhaka University area. That means Dhaka University, Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology and Bangladesh Medical University. All of these are congested together, so I will make visible all of them on the screen. Here it is. This is Dhaka University area, this one is Dhaka University, and these are the Buet area. So here you see that 3 universities are visible in that area: Dhaka University, Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology and Bangladesh Medical University. So I will extract these 3. To extract this I will go to Quick Ozone, then Quick Query, then in key I have to provide amenity. This one amenity, in value I have to provide university. And here I have to provide canvas extend, click on run query. Here you see 3 university area extracted. This one is the Dhaka University area, and this one is Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology, and this one is Bangladesh Medical University. 3 of them universities are visible on the screen, that's why 3 are extracted. If I want to extract any specific one, I just have to make visible this specific one on the screen. I want to extract only Dhaka University, so I will make visible the Dhaka University on the screen. Now go to Quick Ozone again, Quick Query, then in key provide amenity, and in value provide university. And here provide canvas extend, click on run query. Loading it, and check that here only Dhaka University extracted. This one is the Dhaka University area. If I want to extract Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology, I just have to make visible only Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology on the screen like this. Now only Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology is visible on the screen. Now go to Quick Ozone, then again the same process, in key provide amenity, in value provide university, and here provide canvas extend, click on run query. Now see that only Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology has been extracted. In this way I can easily extract the Bangladesh Medical University. Same process, I just have to select amenity in key and university in value, then canvas extend, then run query. In this way you can easily extract any university area throughout the world. This one is Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology, this one is Dhaka University, and this one is Bangladesh Medical University. Hope that you understand how to extract any university area in QGIS. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box. Thank you.